I myself standing here, I served my master 8 years.
8 years.
8 years, yes.
Before you were settled.
Before I was settled. But now these boys now cannot do it. Today, even today as I'm talking to you, I've settled about 15 boys.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
I've settled about 15 boys. Last time I buried my mother, almost 15 cows were in my garden that were donated from my boys that I settled and I made millionaires.
Hello guys, I'm in main market today. I'm currently in main market, the biggest market in West Africa, the oldest, number one. Igbo. So I'm going to meet the chairman of main market, the number one chairman overall chairman main market, onitsha, Chief Innocent Ezoha, to ask him about the apprenticeship system in Igbo land and the reason why our people are no more going for it now, and he will tell us. Let's go.
And Chief Innocent Ezoha, chairman of the Chairman Market. Thank you. In the beginning, apprenticeship is one of the foundation of Igbo development. One, our ancestors started with it, they began with it. There's no big shots in Nigeria today, an Igbo man today, that didn't apply the route of apprenticeship. Apprenticeship, one, I have to give you the meaning of it in every society. Okay. Apprenticeship is something like a student going into university. Okay. Your parents will grow you, they will send you to school. After going to that school, maybe you have learned and you have matured. If you want to be somebody, if your parents are capable, they just send you to university. That is what apprenticeship does in every Igbo youth there. Okay. Coming to Ekene Chiku, okay. It goes through apprenticeship route. Innocent, it goes that route. It goes those routes. Ojukwu the father, he goes that route. Ekene, many of them, all of them, they go through that lineage of apprenticeship. From there, you develop your knowledge in trading. Your parents might be a businessman, but you still see that his son will go to somebody to learn, to apply, to practice that apprenticeship. Even 6 months, even 1 year, the person will settle him, but then the father will bring out his wealth and support him. That's why you have many millionaires in Igbo land today. That apprenticeship, it helps every Igbo youth to be somebody. It helps you to know that this money that you are carrying around is not your life. You just hand it to solve problems. You don't hand it to develop your nation. You don't hand it to develop your family. It's out of your life, but it's you that will make it. Through the apprenticeship, you learn how to control the money instead of money to control you. That is the essence of doing that apprenticeship. That is why anybody or any man that you see that didn't go to the apprenticeship route, even if you give him 100 million, he cannot manage it because this money you see is hot. Look at the head of the people that they employ that your money that you see. They have pictures. Yes. They are all cartels. You can see maybe heads of all those big shots. Yeah. As you are carrying them in your bag, so the problem you are carrying your bag will be. So you learn how to control them whenever they are with you. That is what we are learning in the apprenticeship. Okay. To know the difference between the money and your life. Your life is more important than the money. It's you to make the money and it's you to control the money. That is the thing that we are learning in that apprenticeship. Thank you. The cause of it is that the 21st century youths, they didn't value to have that patient to be in the apprenticeship anymore. They have met the big men with wealth. and they love what the money are using for. But they didn't want to go the routine. Those big men gone before they become that millionaires.
Yeah.
They just see the spending, building mansions.
Yeah.
But they didn't cool down to learn what the process they go through before they become that millionaire.
Yes.
So they only love what the money was being spent for. They didn't want to know how to get that money. Our people do say, instead of you to teach him how to consume the fish, instead of you to be feeding him with fish, better teach him how to catch the fish so that he take the fish at his own time. That is the difference. But our youth value to be taking the fish instead of cooling down to learn how to draw the fish from the river. That's our problem.
Okay.
They didn't want to go the process of apprenticeship to go down to be obedient enough, serve your master, learn that process, learn how to control that hot money before controlling money. Everybody want to be a millionaire, but they didn't not know that to be a millionaire is as easy as what is hard days to maintain yourself in a millionaire class.
Yeah.
That is our problem with the youth now.
Okay.
Thank you. There's a partial truth is there, partial lies are there. One, partial truth in the sense that some organ, there's some masters, some of the masters, they would like to take those boys, they would like to settle them. Then the majority of 75% of it is that our youth didn't fancy to go that boy again, and whenever they come, they will try to start saving money immediately instead of building the capital the master take to start business for him. Because apprenticeship is when you come in, they will first train you at least 1 year, 2 years, then we confirm that he knows how to control money.
Yeah.
Then we can find a shade, small shade for you. We can start that shade with 1 million naira, 2 million naira. We start the trading there. In 6 months time, we come and take stock. When you see that you make a profit in that small business will start for you, maybe that 2 million they take to start business for you. Maybe you account, you give the account of 2 million 5 or 3 million. Then the master will allow you again. Maybe he will raise another 1 million to add it. Then that time your standard of the shop will come up to 5 million or 4 points. Then when you serve the man, reach 4 or 5 years, 6 years or thereabout, you have grown the money up to maybe 10 million or 20 million. The man will pull out of the 10 million or 10 million you raise for you, release 5 million to you and bless you. You started because you have already started with 2 million and make it to 20. But then when you start with 5 million, highest 2 years, you have already a millionaire. You see to that? But all these are youth now, they never have the patience to serve that 5 years. And when they start to serve in the first 1 year, 2 years, if you give them the 2 million or 1 million to start business, the parents will start to, the boy will start to send money to the parents, messing up the money. When you take the stuff for the shop will be going down instead of going up. Along like the man will send the boy. Maybe have wasted 2 years or 3 years because he didn't control the shop. But if he mellowed down well, serve the man very well, matured in the business, grow up with the business, within 3, 4, 5 years, he will be settled. Automatically, you become a millionaire. That's why you have more millionaires in Igbo land than in any other part of Nigeria. Yes, that might be the richest man in the world or Africa. But billionaires in Igbo land or in Anambra particularly, okay, in the state of Dangote, you cannot see the Dangote grade of Dangote into 5 or 6. But Igbo land, you can have billionaires that can match Dangote maybe 20 or 30. You see that? That's why poverty is being eliminated, especially in Anambra here. Because this market here now is the base of every Igbo land. This is where everybody started. Being you, as far as you are an Igbo man, either your parents, either your ancestors, they all started from here. You see to that? That's why we won millionaires in Anambra, because Anambra that trained all the rest neighboring states in Igbo land and Delta and all the neighboring states. Even we are now expanding to Kogi and Benue. Most of them are here training to become a businessman. Yeah. Yes. I'm going to apprenticeship.
So then there is a debate. How many years can someone normally serve person?
I myself standing here, I served my master 8 years.
8 years.
8 years, yes.
Before you were settled.
Before I was settled. But now these boys now cannot do it.
Okay.
You see to that?
Okay.
I finished my school. I started to serve my uncle. From there, when I was about to settle, fire got the market. Everybody started afresh. You have to start another business. Then after the fire instance, then my master borrowed some money. I give me. Then within 3 years, I grow the money. But the money come up again. I was being settled. You see to that. Today, even today as I'm talking to you, I've settled about 15 boys.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
I've settled about 15 boys. Last time I buried my mother, almost 15 cows were in my garden that were donated from my boys that I settled and I made millionaires.
I love that.
Yes.
Okay.
So there's a lot of goodies. It's growing human nature because it's a service to humanity. When you grow other people's sons, my own son will be grown. Yes, my first son, I'm graduated today, but I'm to send him somewhere to do a serve before he can become somebody.
Okay.
Yes. I myself, I graduated from Oko. Yes, before I go back to serve my uncle.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
If that education you acknowledge will help you to develop your knowledge in business.
Okay.
Those ones that didn't finish their study, it affects them in the trading. Not from now, generally, because they cannot take risks, they cannot plan well.
Yes.
Out of the knowledge you have in your school, that will help you to grow your experience in the business.
Okay.
Now the business have entered into technology. Yeah. If you didn't school, if you didn't go that wide, how can you compete in the modern business? Now you cannot go to China, but you be pressing your phone, your goods will be returning. If you didn't go to school, how can you compete with them?
Yeah.
That's what the illiterate ones are suffering now.
Okay.
There are many of them are here. That is what is buying them, some of them from enter into that apprenticeship. Because your organ might not be educated enough. You would like to take the voice that is the voice that is educated cannot have obedience to serve to that 24 5 years before being settled.
Okay.
Basically, normal years for a boy to serve you is 4 5 6 years.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes. But if you have problem with some mutual understanding between you and your master,
okay,
hence your understanding is there. Is the we parents. It's left for we parents to educate our children and tell them the importance of apprenticeship, just like the importance of going to university. If you are not in the line to go further in education, you go into apprenticeship. When you go into apprenticeship, you cool down. The secret is take your master as your father while serving him. Take the wife of your master as your mother while serving them. Take the children of your master as your brothers in your family. That's the secret of succeeding in the apprenticeship. Okay. But if you go to serve somebody as if believing that your mother is down there, your father is down there, this man is not your father, you can't be easily be taking order from him. And some of the others he might be giving you will be feeling cheated. But if you transform the understanding and believe that your master is your father. Okay. Your mother, the mother, the wife of your master, yes, has become your mother. Yes. The sons of or daughters of your master and become your siblings, you will easily succeed. Even if they tell you that the meat is not in this soup, you take it as if that is what your father offered you for that day. That is what your mother offers you that day. Because if your mother offers you ordinary bread without ordinary account without sugar, you can easily take it.
Yeah.
But if it's your master's wife give you this woman hate me, from there you start to develop bad blood. Yes, before you know it, you cannot start to finish.
Okay.
So the secret of surviving the apprenticeship is believing that your master has become your father. The wife of your master has become your mother.
Okay.
The siblings of your master or the daughters or sons of your master have become your sibling. You just take them as one of your siblings. That's where you can survive from them. Before you know it, the 3, 4, 5 years have gone. That's the secret of surviving the apprenticeship. The masters that are not settling the boys after serving them.
Yes, and even those who are settling well, and
even those that are still serving them. The thing is this. My advice is to the ogas or the masters is generally because what is in the boyship is in the ogaship. There is some bad oga, I must tell you, who prefer to be taking boy 6 months, 7 months, he decide them. 1 year, he decide them. He will not like to them to stay up to 3, 4 years to avoid them qualifying to be settled. Then those oga, you see, go to their history. They didn't serve well to their boyship. They didn't serve well to their boyship. If they serve the way to their boyship, you have the experience that no amount of whatever thing that your boy did to you, you just dump him without being settled. Like me that served 8 years, no amount of even if you are hiding, some of my homo boys, some their height is like this, but I know they look their height because I just take them as a responsibility to help the family they come from. If you mellow down and serve to the complete, then I must settle them. That is what I tell to every other organ. If you make up your mind to take up a boy from a different family, know it that is a price you owe to their conscience that you have to develop this boy to be somebody. Even if he didn't do well, if you want to take him back, find little money and give him to free your conscience, free your mind, so that he can start something big or to go and learn work. But if you just push him out without giving him anything, where he will land himself, he will be a topping worker. You see to that? So that is the problem. All those that are taking boys without settling them, go to their lineage. They didn't go to the apprenticeship. They just did a jump, kick and jump and pass, land to be oga. When anything the boy do, he just chase him out. Or even when the boy is overstay, he cannot have the mind to settle it because he didn't serve well as himself. Yes. So before you take your son or your daughter before you take your son to somewhere to serve, know the history of the oga, know how many people have settled, know the line before you take your boy to someone to train for you. If you take him to the right ones, they will definitely develop your boy. If you take him to the wrong one, at the end of it, the story will be the case. So all I wish our youth is, if you can't go through educational lineage, go to apprenticeship. Through apprenticeship, you must be a millionaire out of your obedience and good servant to render your master. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.